Hello, good morning. It is Monday and I am off work today. So it's actually the day after the last time we talked. I did not organize my closet like I was supposed to. I just procrastinated the whole day. So I'm gonna try to get that done today, but I'm also gonna go to the pool and just hang out. I feel like there's not gonna be that many people there because it is a holiday and not everybody gets this holiday off, unfortunately, so I'm gonna go relax by the pool and just hang out, and it should be a good time. So yeah. The swimsuit that I'm wearing is actually from Amazon. I have a couple from the same brand. I really love this brand. This is super cute. The bottoms are kind of cheeky, but not too cheeky. It's almost like mid-rise, but I refuse to like stop wearing high-rise things, so we're just gonna go with it. Whatever, you know, as close as I can get, it works, whatever. But yeah, it's cute. So I'm gonna wear this to the pool with a cover up and just go hang out. So I will see you guys there. Let me also just take a moment to appreciate how cute this freaking cover up is. It's so cute. I wish I could remember where I bought this from. I've had it for years. Like, I have a picture of me in this when I was like 19 and I'm like 26 now. So it's so freaking cute. And the back, take a moment for the back. It's so cute. Seriously. I love it. I'm bringing it on vacation. I wish I could buy another one because of how pretty it is, but alas, I really don't know where I got it from. I think I might have gotten this from Burke's, or maybe it was like TJ Maxx or something. I'm not sure. Especially now that like crochet is in. I would love to have another one of these, but yeah, I don't know. I did get a super cute one that you will see when I'm on vacation though. That is another crochet one that's really cute, so yeah. It's so cute though. I just thought I would talk about it. And I'll link the swimsuit down below in case anybody wants to get it. I would recommend picking it up for real though because it's bomb. And they have a million different prints and colors. You guys, I picked the perfect freaking time to come out here. It's like 9 a.m. and there's like not a soul out here. I'm like excited. I just brought a book with me. I'm gonna be reading this today. I'm restarting it because I never finished it and I was like halfway through it for like a year and then never picked it back up, so I'm gonna try to read it again. So yeah, this is the vibe.
You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you saw the hurt, it makes you see clear. But you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time.
Okay, so I am back from the pool now. That was so much fun. There was like hardly anybody there either, so like I literally just got to chill the whole time by myself. It was amazing. I am about to organize my closet now though, so I'm gonna show you the before of what it looks like. I wish I could show you how it looked before when I first organized it. It was really great, so but we'll get back to that. So this is what we are working with right now. It is a mess. My clothes really need to be all refolded and fixed, and so do Nathan's. So that is what I am gonna work on for the next who knows how long. So enjoy the organizing aspect of this. Okay, so I did all of my stuff. I just, not gonna do Nathan's because I don't know. He's got a lot of stuff everywhere, so I think I'm gonna let him decide where he wants to put all of that stuff, and then maybe I'll do his another day. But yeah, looks good. The only way to make a salad is to make it huge. Volume eating.